Hey guys, have you been looking to generate more leads, sales, and signups into your Save Club opportunity? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to actually go over how you can increase your results with Save Club, or if you're not part of Save Club, what you would need to do if you sign up, because you want to be able to maximize your results and get the most amount of signups, get the most amount of people through this page, and be able to get them on the tour so they can actually get started. So Save Club is pretty much an MLM opportunity that helps you to save on things that you're already buying. So it's very similar to the opportunity Live Good. So if you've been a part of Live Good, it kind of models this kind of page. So if you want to increase your results with this opportunity, using this page to actually capture leads is not really a good idea. What I would actually do is have a capture page in front of this that actually captures the leads onto your own autoresponder before it actually goes to this page. So that way you're capturing your own leads and you will up your conversions with this page, right? So when they go through this page, it takes them to the tour. So they have to go through this page. But this page, if you use it directly, it's going to give you a low opt-in rate and low conversions up front. So anytime you have a company branded name right here, it tells people what the opportunity is, right? So you don't want to give away what the opportunity is on the capture page. Having a video here also will decrease your conversions a lot. So people can watch this video and they'll be like, well, I don't want to join this. I'm not even going to opt in, right? Your primary focus when people are coming to your page is to get them to put their name, their email, and phone number in, right? If you have a video on the page, it distracts them from actually doing what you want them to do. This box right here should actually be in the middle of the page. It should be centered in the page. And what pages convert best are white backgrounds with minimum text, right? So if you're running any kind of paid traffic, don't run it directly to this page, because you run a chance of your account getting shut down, and you want to actually get quality people into this opportunity, right? So you don't want to get a bunch of traffic of people who aren't going to open your emails, who aren't going to click on your links, who aren't going to do anything, right? So you want to filter out the people that you have coming through this page. So if you're getting paid traffic, those are some things that you want to keep in mind. When you have too much going on right here, like on this page, your conversions are going to decrease dramatically, right? So you can use this page, but you don't want to use this page directly. You want to have your own pages, your own system, your own funnel built out that leads into this. So this would be like a sales page that you have instead of using it as a capture page. So this way you're retaining your leads first before they actually go to this page. Now, if you're looking for high quality traffic and you want to actually get results to this offer, I would come over here to ProfitBuildersTraffic.com. Now, why you want to come over here to ProfitBuildersTraffic.com is because I actually help you to, get results. And you can see right here, I have a lot of testimonials on this page. And I want to make sure that you're getting high quality traffic to the offers that you're promoting, that you have a capture page, and that your capture page and sales copy are congruent. You don't want to use that company capture page. I'm telling you that right now, your conversions are going to be about 30% opt-in rate, and you're not really going to get tons of people to take action. So you want to actually have your own funnel system set up, and I can help you with that. And most importantly, you want to get high quality traffic to the offers that you're promoting, right? So no matter what offers that you're promoting, you always want to have your own systems in place. And that's why the top leaders that you see on the leaderboards, that's why they have their own systems. They're not using the company pages. If you notice any top leader, they're not using company pages. They're using their own funnels. They're using their own systems. That's why everybody joins them, so they could get their hands on the system, right? So if you have the system in place, then it will actually do the work for you and help you to get more sales, right? So When you get traffic from me, you're going to get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing, right? So that's where you get your traffic from when you order from me. And I help you to set up your funnel and your offers. I help you to manage that stuff. I help you to get the highest converting pages that convert up to 85% opt-in rate. And I help you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rate, because it's very important when you have people coming through your funnel that you actually know your stats. If you don't know your stats and you're running traffic and you're doing it blindly, right? So you don't never want to run traffic just to a funnel. You want to do it the right way so you actually know your stats. And nobody else is going to tell you this stuff. So that's why I make these videos, to actually help you out. And I want you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer. So you want to build a list of people who really want to join an opportunity like Save Club. So the kind of people that are going to join are the kind of people that are in Live Good or an opportunity like that, right? Because it's the same kind of deal. And so step one is you want to select your traffic package below. I have 90% tier one and 100% tier one. Pick the one that works best for you. Step two is we do a campaign review. You could book a strategy call with me, and that's after you order a traffic package, and we review your funnel, we review your campaign, we set you up with the most highly converting funnel that you could possibly get for paid traffic. I help you to understand how to track your leads and conversions. I help you to know how to keep your emails in the inbox so they don't go to spam, because when people are buying traffic, a lot of times their emails are going to spam. So if nobody sees your emails, then nobody's going to buy from you, right? So it doesn't matter how many leads you get. It doesn't matter any of that stuff if your emails are going to the spam box, right? So we want to keep your emails out of spam. So it's highly suggested that you book a strategy call with me when you order a traffic package, and I'm going to go over that with you on the call, how you can actually increase your results, right? Step three is we launch your campaign within 72 hours. So basically, if you don't book the strategy call, it starts within 72 hours. If you do, it's going to start after the call, right? Because I want to make sure that you get set up the right way. And if you work with me long term, here's some of the results that you can expect to get if you have the right things in place to actually do it. Now, I tell people the best practices when running paid traffic. Some people don't listen to me and they end up doing what they want to do, and then they get poor results. But if you listen to me, then you're going to actually get the results that you want. And you can see right here, I have 200 clicks, 3 sales, and I have plenty of testimonials right here. So take a look at this for yourself. You could scroll this page right here, and then here's the 90% tier one packages. Here's 100% tier one right here. Pick the one that works best for you. If you have questions, chances are your questions are going to be answered down here. So take a look at this section as well. And then here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. And then if you have any questions, you can leave your questions down here. You could also leave them under this video. I will answer people's questions if you leave them under this video, but you have to leave the questions under this video for me to be able to answer them. Also, you could get into my free Facebook group. There's going to be a link in the description that you could get into the group for that as well, where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to better grow your business online. Also, there's going to be a link to the store below. So, click on the link below this video to get into the traffic store where you could actually buy a traffic package. Also, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. I post pretty frequently, so you don't want to miss any time that I upload new content. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, you can reach out to me on Facebook as well. You can reach out to me through the form on this page. You can reach out to me by leaving a comment below this video. All right, thank you for watching, and bye for now.